The cooler months call for cozy moments, but who says cozy can also be glam? Hi, I'm Holm, and in this Falscara Studio Masterclass, I'm showing you how to create a soft, elevated lash look. That's perfect for everything from cozy coffee dates to candlelit dinner parties. For this look, we're gonna use the Falscara Studio Artist Kit in the style Dark Chocolate. And the best part about Falscara Studio is that everything you need to create one or multiple lash looks is available in this one kit. From 3 different styles, lengths, and widths to 3 different bonding serums, the kit has it all. I'm starting with a light coat of the Falscara Studio Infused Bond on the underside of the natural lashes. Think of it as prepping your lashes the way you would prime your skin. It's all about a strong, flexible base. For this cozy glam look, I'm mixing softer, fluffier wisps with just a touch of length. I'm starting at the outer corner to create a lifted, elongated eye effect. First, we're going in with the 2 fluffy 12mm wisps. This gives us that subtle drama from the outer corner of the eye. For the middle, I'm using 2 fluffy 10mm. It's lighter and helps create a natural transition as we move toward the inner eye. And finally, I'm finishing with 2 spiky 10mm at the inner corner. This keeps the look open and fresh without feeling too heavy. We've created a soft, cozy glam lash map, perfect for those elevated fall moments. And the best part? You easily customize this look endlessly with the kit. You control the drama. Once your wisps are perfectly placed, finish it with the water-resistant seal. It removes any tackiness and locks your lash into place, giving you a clean, natural finish that feels weightless. It's cozy, it's chic, it's effortlessly glam, perfect for sweater weather season and beyond. And if you want your lashes to last through 14 crisp fall days, use Bond Boost. It's the perfect finishing touch to help your lashes stay put. Thanks for tuning in to the Falscara Studio Masterclass series. Don't forget to create your own custom cozy glam lash look and share it with us using Falscara Studio hashtag. With Falscara Studio, the perfect lash is always just a few wisps away. See you soon and stay glam.